She talks about dating snoring men.
I feel like most of my dating so far has been me telling men that they snore in their sleep. And then they go, no, I don't. And then I record them. And we don't talk anymore. I'm convinced all hardworking men snore in their sleep. Right? Like, at this point, if I'm sleeping next to a guy and he's sleeping peacefully throughout the night, I'm like, how are you gonna provide for our family? Like, you don't have a blocked airway? Work harder. I throw myself at a man with sleep apnea. He'll be a good father.